Hi guys, 3D printer upgrade. So here you have my first half success of a calibration cube. This one is a lot better, and now I am printing the bench bot. Seems good so far, almost. So it is going not too bad. A lot of tweaking and little issues to solve, but I am making progress. And I actually made already one useful part here, a connector cap for a Russian aircraft instrument. It is an ugly color because for test I did use useless colors, but still I'm quite happy with this first test, and so far the little bot seems to be going well. So thanks for watching, bye bye.